Allison, Proffitt, Editorial Director of Bio-IT World. When President Obama announced a precision medicine initiative in January, the $215 million proposal had some fairly broad goals, but underlying them all was a call for infrastructure. The president called for meaningful privacy measures, more standardized electronic medical records, interoperability standards, and curated disease databases. Those are the very things we tackle at Bio-IT World. This event is unique in its scope. Researchers, physicians, and patients sit side by side with bioinformaticians, CIOs, and data architects. We solve these problems in the session rooms, at the coffee break, on the expo floor, and occasionally over drinks at the bar. This is the community at the cutting edge of precision medicine. Come join us. I'm here with Martin Gollery with Tahoe Informatics. Now, Marty, you have been a judge for me for many years now. Can you give me your impression of the event overall?
Yes, the event is really good this year. The number of people is up. The amount of activity at the booths is significantly greater than it was a few years ago. The quality of what people are showing at the booths has measurably increased. And overall, it's just a much better show than it was a few years ago.
Bio-IT is definitely a market sector that we want to get to know a lot better, and these conferences are critical to making sure that we understand current challenges that researchers and clinicians are currently facing and be able to leapfrog slightly ahead of them, so that way by next year's conference we'll have solutions and products that will meet their needs.
It's the mecca of Bio-IT. And I come to it every year, ever since it started. Meet friends, see what's happening in the industry, and maybe get a client or two. There's been a shift to more genomics and what's current, and it's all for the better.
This is our second year at Bio-IT. We're expanding our business in the life sciences marketplace and have found that the startup environment, along with the IT professionals from customers that we're targeting, are here, engaged with us, and it's helping us build our business. It's been outstanding so far. What we're presenting in the marketplace over here is tied well to what these folks are looking to solve business problems for.
I'm here with Madhav, who is the Director of Life Sciences at Lenovo, and this is Lenovo's first time at Bio-IT World, but not your first time.
No, it's not. So I've been to Bio-IT for probably about 6-7 years. Lenovo acquired the IBM System X hardware, including the servers, storage, and networking. We brought the team here to participate and continue our participation as a team with Bio-IT because it's an excellent resource for meeting customers using the infrastructure.
It allows me to talk to many different vendors face to face, as well as establish this type of network, and also to hear in talks about how other groups are solving most likely the same problems we are trying to solve. It's a good place to initiate collaborations, try to brainstorm ideas for proof of concepts and whatnot.
It's growing. The amount of data problems that are happening in this marketplace, people are struggling to manage it, and Bio-IT World helps provide solutions to these big data problems. This is the show to be at. I mean, honestly, for BioTeam, we've eliminated all of our shows, and this is the only show that BioTeam does now because of the quality of the work that we can do, the right kind of people to provide solutions to this marketplace, which is our marketplace, which is your marketplace.
We've made a lot of progress, but we haven't solved everything. Join us next year at Bio-IT World and let's keep the conversation going.